Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Our lecture number 12 is subtraction, single borrow, 2 and 3 digit numbers. First of all, we will discuss subtraction of 2 digit numbers. Our first example is 32 minus 15. Write down the bigger number first, which is 32, and the smaller number 15 directly below it. Arrange the numbers vertically so that tens and ones place digits are lined up. 32 means 3 tens, 2 ones. 15 means 1 10, 5 ones. First of all, solve ones column. 2 minus 5, where 2 is less than 5. How can we subtract? 2 will borrow 1 10 from 3 tens. It will be 12 ones. And 3 tens will be 2 tens. So, 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. We write 7 here in ones column. Now solve tens column. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. We write 1 here in tens column. So the answer of this question is 17. Now solve next question, which is 43 minus 27. Write down the bigger number first, which is 43, and the smaller number 27 directly below it. Arrange the numbers vertically so that tens and ones place digits are lined up. 43 means 4 tens, 3 ones. 27 means 2 tens, 7 ones. First of all, solve ones column. 3 minus 7, where 3 is less than 7. How can we subtract? 3 will borrow 1 10 from 4 tens. It will be 13 ones. And 4 tens will be 3 tens. So 13 minus 7 is equal to 6. We write 6 in ones column. Now solve tens column. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. We write 1 here in tens column. So the answer of this question is 16. Our next example is 90 minus 56. Write down the bigger number first, which is 90, and the smaller number 56 directly below it. Arrange the numbers vertically so that tens and ones place digits are lined up. 90 means 9 tens, 0 ones. 56 means 5 tens, 6 ones. Solve ones column first. 0 minus 6, where 0 is less than 6. How can we subtract? 0 will borrow 1 10 from 9 tens. It will be 10 ones. 9 tens will be 8 tens now. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Write 4 in ones column. Now solve tens column. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Write 3 in tens column. So the answer of this question is 34. Now we will discuss subtraction of 3 digit numbers. Our first question is 357 minus 139. Write down the bigger number 357 first and the smaller number 139 directly below it. Arrange the numbers vertically so that hundreds, tens and ones place digits are lined up. 357 means 3 hundreds, 5 tens, 7 ones. 139 means 100, 3 tens, 9 ones. First of all, we solve ones column. 7 minus 9, where 7 is less than 9. How can we subtract? 7 will borrow 1 10 from 5 tens. It will be 17 ones. And 5 tens will be 4 tens. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Write 8 here in ones column. Now solve tens column. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Write 1 here in tens column. Now we solve hundreds column. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Write 2 here in hundreds column. The answer of this question is 218. Our next question is 783 minus 268. Write down the bigger number first, which is 783, and the smaller number 268 directly below it. Arrange the numbers vertically so that hundreds, tens and ones place digits are line up. 783 means 7 hundreds, 8 tens, 3 ones. And 268 means 2 hundreds, 6 tens, 8 ones. First of all, solve ones column. 3 minus 8. Where 3 is less than 8, how can we subtract? 3 will borrow 1 10 from 8 tens. It will be 13 ones. And 8 tens will be 7 tens. So 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Write 5 in ones column. Now solve tens column. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. We write 1 in tens column. Now we solve hundreds column. 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Write 5 in hundreds column. So the answer of this question is 515. Our next question is 809 minus 384. Write down the bigger number first, which is 809, and the smaller number 384 directly below it. Arrange the numbers vertically so that hundreds, tens and ones place digits are line up. 809 means 8 hundreds, 0 tens, 9 ones. 384 means 3 hundreds, 8 tens, 4 ones. First of all, solve ones column. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Write 5 here in ones column. Now we solve tens column. 0 minus 8. Where 0 is less than 8, how can we subtract? 0 will borrow 1 from 8 hundreds. It will be 10 tens. And 8 hundreds will be 7 hundreds. So 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. Write 2 in tens column. Now solve hundreds column. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Write 4 in hundreds column. So the answer of this question is 425. I hope you will understand this concept. Instructions for mothers. Ask your children to do oral practice of subtraction. Children should do the written practice of 2 and 3 digits subtraction with borrow. Concept of the students about this topic should be clear, then move to the next one. That's all for today. Thank you.